Hi there again, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and welcome to the second part of this mini video course on how to start making money on YouTube even without 1,000 subscribers. So let's quickly dive in and recall what we did in the first part of this mini video course. The first part of the video series was deciding on a channel niche and where to find affiliate products to promote. In this second part of the video series, we are going to be looking at the 4 strategies I use when researching a video title, and that's simply because before making any money on your chosen niche, you have to come up with video ideas and video titles. Now, if you haven't watched the first part of this video series yet, make sure to do that before watching the second part because we are going to continue from where we left off in the first video. Assuming you've already decided on your channel niche and you've already joined a couple of affiliate programs in your niche, it's time to start finding a product to promote and start creating a video to promote the product. Again, like I mentioned in the first video, with promotional videos, you don't necessarily need to show your face or record your voice if you don't want, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video series. But first, before we get into the video creation part of things, the first part is coming up with video ideas and the video title. Now, when it comes to making promotional videos for my YouTube channel, I start by following one of these 4 strategies to help me decide on what my video title is going to be about. The first strategy is using the Google Trend tool to come up with video ideas or video titles, but personally I don't use this tool so often because of my channel niche, but I still find it from time to time very powerful, and I think it might also help you depending on your niche. I also use the most common strategy taught in most tutorial videos, which is using the most popular videos of other top channels in your targeted niche. I also use the gateway video strategy, which is an SEO strategy, and last but not the least, I look at some of the problems that the product I want to promote in my video is trying to solve. These are the 4 things that I go through before coming up with a video idea or a video title, and I do that because I want to find video titles with less competition but more views. These are the same strategies I've been using for my money making videos that are getting thousands of views on Evergreen topics. Evergreen topics are search terms that people keep using over and over for many years. Remember here that I use these strategies because as a small channel, I want to take advantage of any opportunity for my video to get more views without difficulties along the way. Let's now look at these strategies step by step so you can try them for yourself when coming up with your next video title. Now, like I already mentioned before, I don't use the Google Trend tool so often because it doesn't have enough data for my channel targeted niche. However, I use it sometimes when finding video ideas or video titles when promoting a weight loss CPA offer or something like that. So if you are targeting the weight loss niche, for example, or the traveling niche, those very popular kind of niches, Google Trend can help you find search video titles. Take for example, if you type in a phrase like YouTube upload and then select the YouTube option here, you will see that Google Trend doesn't give you enough data. But if you type in something like weight loss, the tool will give you enough data to work with. Now, under this rising topic here, you can dig further into search for more related keywords that you can add in your video title or use it as your video title. Now, because I did use a different strategy for this seed keyword YouTube upload, I was able to come up with a video title that has been making me money on this channel even before hitting 1,000 subscribers. That just goes to show you that there is no defined way of coming up with a video idea or a video title, which is why I have these 4 different strategies of coming up with a video title. The next tool I use to come up with video ideas or video titles for my channel is the YouTube video tab, which you'll find on all YouTube channels. Now, to make this happen effectively, especially for channels under 1,000 subscribers, you have to find top channels in your niche with over 1,000 subscribers. Click through any of the channels and then click on the video tab, which you'll find here above. Now, what you should be looking here are videos that have gotten more number of views than the number of subscribers on that channel. That's an indication that the video got extra views from the search engines or suggested videos, not only from the subscribers on the channel. Now, to be able to find those popular videos, click on the select popular option here, and then YouTube will display all the popular videos on that channel. I usually use this strategy to look for video ideas that will help my channel more views, not necessarily to make money with the video. Now, the big picture here is making money on my channel while naturally growing the channel. So all the videos on my channel here are not promotional videos. I also make video tutorials where I share free tips in exchange for more views, subscribers, and generally engagement. However, having said that, if the video title I find using this strategy matches with a product on that topic, I will promote the product within the video. Now, the next strategy of finding a video title that will do well is by using the gateway video strategy. Gateway videos are videos that show up on the YouTube search engines from nowhere with low subscriber counts and high video counts within a short time of uploading the video. YouTube sometimes features small channel videos on the top video rankings for some phrases. Those type of videos indicate that as a small channel, if you make a related video and optimize it well, you can also get that rankings or at least be suggested on that video, which will help your video get some of those views. Now, for this strategy to work, you will need to install certain tools to make it easy to spot out a gateway video. You need to install the vidIQ Chrome extension and link it to your YouTube channel. Now, if you can see this, when I hover my mouse over this blue number here, it says powered by vidIQ. vidIQ is a certified YouTube Chrome extension that will help you easily see the number of subscribers for any given channel on the YouTube search results, designed to help YouTube creators find topics and keywords for their YouTube videos. The tool also has a robust YouTube SEO feature set that assists YouTube creators to create SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. After installing and linking the extension to your channel, you'll start seeing the subscriber count of channel videos on the YouTube search results. Now, what this does is it helps you quickly see the channels with low subscriber count, and then with the YouTube view count feature, you can easily see the number of views the video has gotten. So if you come across a small channel video with very high view count, that's an indication that if you create a similar or related video which is well optimized, your video will also have the chance of ranking high or at least being suggested on the small channel video, which of course will lead to more views. Now, one of the videos I uploaded early on this SoloPreneur channel was a video on uploading audio on YouTube. I still do not remember how many gateway videos I found at the time of making that video, but as you can still see some gateway videos on the search page. As you can see here, I created this video over a year ago, which makes this gateway video at the time of creating this video a little recent. Now, when you find a gateway video like this when browsing through YouTube, just click through and get to the video tags. The vidIQ tool can help show you the tags of any video, but for that I like using a similar tool called TubeBuddy, which shows me which keyword phrases the video is ranking for and how high the keyword phrase is ranking on the search results. Keyword phrases with high rankings on the search results are potential video titles that you can use, or at least find related phrases. Now, the last but not the least strategy I use for finding video titles for my product video is by looking at the problems a product I want to promote is trying to solve. Take a look at this video example I recently created on my channel. In this video, I'm promoting the Wave video and the Flux Story video apps. I came about this video title by first looking at the problems these tools are trying to solve online, which is the ability to make social media videos easily. So what I did was I made a search for how to make social media stories, and long and behold, it was a searchable phrase on YouTube. Now, to confirm if this phrase was worth making a video on, or if people are still searching for this phrase, I used the TubeBuddy Chrome extension. TubeBuddy has been a huge factor in the success of my channel. The basic features of the TubeBuddy tool is free to use, and the good news is TubeBuddy is also offering channels with less than 100 subscribers some of their pro features for only $5. You'll find a special link to the $5 offer of TubeBuddy below this video. So if your channel is still under 100 subscribers, you can get some of the pro features of the TubeBuddy tool for a one-time price of just $5. But if you wait and your channel grows and passes the 100 subscriber mark, you start paying a $9 monthly fee for a pro version, $19 for a start version, and $49 for a legend version. Now moving on. What I usually do to confirm if the tag phrase I just found is of any good in terms of YouTube search engine optimization is by clicking on this blue button after making a search using the key phrase. TubeBuddy will now tell me if the key phrase is poor, medium, very good, or an excellent phrase to target as my video title. As you can see from this example, it's a very good keyword phrase to target, which is why I made a video on this. Now, it's worth noting that you will not always easily find keyword phrases like this. Sometimes you need to be a little bit creative with the problems the product is trying to solve, and sometimes you need to put a search phrase together with the product name in order to find excellent key phrases that will help your video easily get views and hence make you money along the way. Now that you know how to find evergreen video titles for your videos and your product videos, in the third part in this video mini course, I'll be showing you how I make videos to promote affiliate offers on this channel. I'll also be showing you other free and paid tools that will help you make videos without showing your face or recording your voice. With all that, I'll see you in the next video.